GFlow.
We've been ballin' out since we were motherfucking 15. Steady coming up with what they like to call the OC. Cruising in a Chevy every weekend to a new beach. Whooper in the back playing music was our routine. Parties on the weekends at the house that everyone knows. Parents never home, so that's the spot where everyone goes. Hooking up with girls who never seem to wear enough clothes. Always broken up by cops that tell us all to go home. Save us now. These kids are running from their dreams, never feeling free. We must stop this, make it count. This life is nothing but a story. Don't let it be boring. We must never back down. The sound. Don't be quiet for the others. Strength that comes in numbers, so we must get loud. It's foul. And if we never hit the ground, keep our head up in the clouds. We will make it somehow. Don't stop if you don't stop. If we don't stop, we'll hit the top. We'll make it somehow. Don't stop if you don't stop. If we don't stop, we'll hit the top. We'll make it somehow. Don't stop if you don't stop. If we don't stop, we'll hit the top. We'll make it somehow. Don't stop if you don't stop. If we never hit the ground, keep our head up in the clouds. We will make it somehow. Let's go. Chilling at the beach with a couple girls from high school. Got one for us each, blonde hair and their eyes blue. Growing up in Cali, that's the type you see and ride through. No, I ain't complaining, man, we love that, it's a nice view. Feeling lots of booze from the mall on the weekends, cause we wanna drink until our brains stop thinking.
So guys, there you have it. So, came out today to train a backflip, to learn an official backflip. Could still use some tweaking, but I'm 3/4 of the way there. I just need to work on height and distance. I cut this video short because my iPhone's going to die in a minute. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and remember, you can achieve anything you want to. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to drive, and you have to will, and then you have to go make it happen, because no one else is going to make it happen for you. You got to take action, okay? See you in the next one.
Don't stop if you don't, we don't stop, we'll hit the top. Make it somehow.